Hey folks, this is a quick overview of the bendable extensions. So they come in three sizes. This is the shortest one. The other ones can, the two taller ones can be bent into an S shape or anything, another shape like a U shape. So these parts kind of are individual plastics put together, and when you hold the plastic, you can turn this part, which turns the front part, but the plastic stays still. And so something like this can be very useful, or when, let's say, you are trying to install a bracket, something like this, and then you need to get to this screw. So so you wouldn't be able to let's say fit a straight extension or a drill easily if the space is tight. So what you can do is you can have this extension reach that part, and then your drill will be far away from let's say the ceiling. And I can also show you. So you insert this part into your drill head, and then you can see, well, let's also put a bit inside so you can notice. So you can keep this part with your hands for additional stability, but you can see how it works. So thanks for watching.